How to take a screenshot on your MacBook Neo and also how to screen record. The good news is that you do not need to download anything. It comes included in the Mac. The easiest way to find the screen recording app or screenshot app is to go on the magnifying glass on the top right corner, click on it, and here simply type screen. Screen. And you're going to get the screenshot app that also screen record. What I suggest is that you drag this app down below so you have it handy every time you want to do a screenshot or screen record. It will stay there. Click on the app and this will open. You have multiple options. Let me guide you through them. So these three options will be for screenshot and the three last one will be for screen recording. If we click on the first one, which is capture entire screen, the entire display of your MacBook Neo will be taken in the screenshot. You can click the enter button, okay, right over here, this one, or you can click on the touchpad to take that screenshot. I'm going to hear a clicking sound and a preview of the screenshot will be there. If you don't touch anything, the screenshot will disappear and will get saved on the desktop. Let me go back in the app. If you don't want it to be saved on the desktop, you can always go in options and instead of desktop, you can select any other folders that you have on your Mac Neo. You can also set a timer. So for example, 5 seconds after pressing enter, the screenshot will be taken. Or over here, floating thumbnail, the small thing that you saw. If you don't like to see the preview every time you take a screenshot, you can disable this. And finally, remember last selection. If this is unchecked, whatever you have selected here will be resetted every time you open the app. If you want the mouse pointer to be saved in the screenshot or screen recording, you can select show mouse pointer. It can be helpful in case you're demonstrating something. To demonstrate the second option, capture selected window, I need to have a window open. All right, so now I have two windows open. If I open my screenshot app and select capture selected window, every time I'm going with the cursor above one of these windows, it will be highlighted in blue and only that window will be saved in the screenshot. So let me do it over here. I'll simply click. The screenshot has been taken and here I have my floating thumbnail. If I click on it, by the way, it opens up directly over here. So for example, on the top right corner, you have annotation and you can, okay, by going over here, write over it, make anything that you wish, edit it. And at the end, once you are done, click done and the screenshot with the modification with every edit has been saved over here. As you see, I have scribbled something and it got saved that way. Let's continue. So if I go in screenshot app and select the third option for screenshot, which is capture selected portion, well, it's self-explanatory. You can drag these dots up and down to select the perfect framing. Let's say I simply want the screenshot of whatever is on the left side. I'll go like this. And the screenshot will be specifically what I have selected. If you want to screen record, as I said, the three next option, the first one is record entire screen. Same thing as a screenshot, so the whole MacBook Neo screen will be recorded. And over here you have options. And when you screen record, you're going to have microphone as an option this time. And you have none by default, but if you want, you have MacBook Neo microphone, which means that you can talk over the screen recording. In case you're explaining something to somebody, your voice will be picked up by the mic and added to the screen recording. If you have an external mic, a USB mic, you'll be able to select it here as well. So let me select this option. And now if I click anywhere on the screen recording will start. And how do you know that it's screen recording? Well, on the top right corner here, you're going to get this emblem, this icon. To stop the recording, simply click on it. And again, you're going to get a floating thumbnail and the recording will go on the desktop or other folder you have selected. Let me open it. Screen recording will corner here. The other options for screen recording, so we have recorded selected window, same thing, has a screenshot. I won't demonstrate, but you get the idea, and record selected portion. So you can screen record only over here, and the rest won't appear in the screen recording. One thing that I forgot, if you go in options, you have also show mouse clicks. So if you select this option, let me screen record, and I'm clicking all over the place right now. Let me stop this recording. You see, every time I'm clicking in the screen recording, there is a circle. Simply, again, if you want to demonstrate something, it's easier for the person watching to understand what you're doing. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, but also comment down below if it was useful. Check my Amazon links if you want accessories for your MacBook Neo. I get a very small commission every time you go through my links, and it helps supporting my channel. Have a beautiful day.